IRIS Corporation Berhad is a manufacturer and system integrator, providing innovative, relevant, intelligent and secure solutions in ICT, especially in the domain of trusted identification. So we invented world's first electronic passport and multi-application electronic ID. Established in 1994, we have 30 years of experience to date. So we have footprints in 34 countries globally, and we are working on more. IRIS is committed to sustainable business practices. As climate change becomes a pressing issue, we believe the adoption of solar power generation is a responsible investment for the future. By harnessing clean energy generated, we are supporting Government of Malaysia's ESG goals by reducing our own carbon footprint when we conduct our business. We conducted a thorough review of solar panel providers, and i2 Energy stood out. They offer a compelling combination of top-quality products, competitive pricing, and exceptional customer service. Beyond the initial installation, long-term system performance is crucial. i2 Energy impresses with their proven track record in ensuring optimal solar power generation. Having a dedicated in-house operation and maintenance team further provided us with peace of mind, knowing our system will be well maintained. Throughout the entire project, i2 Energy provided comprehensive explanation about the chosen solar system and maintained consistent communication from start to finish. This collaborative approach ensures a smooth and successful installation process. One of the early benefits we experienced was a smooth and efficient installation process. i2 Energy's team ensured everything was completed quickly and professionally. The most significant early benefit is the positive impact on the environment. By generating our own clean energy, we are reducing our reliance on the traditional grid and our carbon footprint. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step. Adopting solar energy is a significant step forward in achieving our long-term sustainability goals. We are hopeful the success sets a strong precedent in our ESG journey.